today we're going to make the back, so the L shape at the back, so it's going to be the tongue and groove. Got to get the measurements right. We've also got a creosote around the edges to make sure that they're not going to be affected by the weather. So hopefully today we'll get that up. I've also got free of charge patio doors and some double glazed windows coming tonight. So yeah, I think it's going to come together. Watch this space. And also today I've decided to wear the proper stuff that I've used for creosote previously, not the new jeans I bought at the weekend, which is what I did with this lot. So yeah. This is the corner of the panel that we're going to put at the back. So put that in like that. Pretty simple. And then the next one, right, okay, so this one is 240 centimeters, and it's literally got to be in the middle. And finally, the backs are up, all in place, nice and solid. So you'll see the colour tomorrow. Hopefully get the patios doors Saturday. Going to do the front tomorrow. Get some of the roof going. You never know, we might be onto the roof. Do have a doctor's appointment in the morning though, and I've got to service my daughter's car. Other than that, I'll be straight back to it. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.